Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a trademark license online. First, understand that a trademark license allows another party to use your registered mark under specific conditions. You'll need to clearly identify both the licensor, who owns the trademark, and the licensee, the party wishing to use it. Defining the scope, including the duration and geographic territory of the license, is a crucial initial step. Before you begin the online application, gather all essential documents, such as your trademark registration certificate. Next, clearly define the specific goods or services that will be covered by this license agreement. You also need to determine the financial terms, including the royalty structure, which might involve a percentage, perhaps 5% to 10%, of sales or a fixed fee. Now it's time to navigate the online portal. Access the official Intellectual Property Office website for your jurisdiction. Carefully complete all sections of the digital application form, providing accurate and thorough information. Finally, upload all required supporting documents, such as the license agreement itself, ensuring they are in the specified format, typically PDF, to avoid any delays in processing. Before final submission, thoroughly review all the information you've entered for any potential errors or omissions. Once everything is accurate, proceed to pay the required application fee, which is often around $100 to $200, using the available online payment methods. After submission, you'll typically receive a confirmation. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keep an eye on your application status for updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.